皆さん、こんにちは。チャンネルへようこそ。今日はワンオクロックのレネゲーズにリアクションしていきます。このバンドについては以前からよく耳にしていて、彼らの音楽は力強くて感情に訴えかけるものだと聞いていたので、聞いてみるのが本当に楽しみです。ワンオクロックのファンの方は、ぜひお気に入りの曲をコメント欄に書いてくださいね。もしかしたら次にリアクションする曲になるかもしれません。それでは早速始めましょう。まず、映像がすごく映画っぽいですね。まるで映画のオープニングみたいです。おお、すごい、ボーカルが本当に力強い。彼の声に込められた感情がいいですね。彼がこの曲に本当に感情を込めているのが伝わってきます。
First of all, the vocals are incredible. The emotions in the voice really stand out, and you can feel the intensity throughout the entire track. It's not just something singing a song, it actually feels like they're delivering a message. Every line feels passionate and powerful, which makes the song even more impactful. Um, Another things that really caught my attention is the build up of the music. The way the song starts starts a bit calmer and then gradually grows into this huge anthemic chorus is amazing. By the time the chorus hits, it feels massive. It's the kind of chorus that feels like it was made for live performances where thousands of fans are singing together. I also really like the message behind the songs. From what I'm hearing in the lyrics, it's about standing up for what you believe in, not staying silent and being strong even when things are difficult. Songs like this always connect with people because everyone goes through struggles and moments where they need courage to speak up or fight for change. The production of the songs is also very clean and modern. It blends rock with a bit of pop influence, which makes it sounds very intentional. I can see why this band has fans all over the world. The music feels big, cinematic, and emotional at the same time. Another thing I notice is how well the bands control the energy of the song. They don't just give everything loud the whole time. There are moments where the music falls back and lets the vocal shines, and then the instruments come back stronger in the chorus. That dynamic makes the songs feel more exciting and keeps you engaged the whole way through. Overall, this song feels like an anthem. It has that motivational energy that makes you feel like you want to stand up, move forward, and not giving up on your goals. That's something I really appreciate in music. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.